most beautiful skyscrapers in the world. The Burj Al Arab is a luxury hotel located in the city of Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Managed by Jumeirah Hotel Group, it is one of the tallest hotels in the world. The new futuristic residential skyscraper turning torso reaches much higher than the surrounding buildings in the area. The highest floor is twisted 90 degrees from the ground level. Taipei 101 is a super tall skyscraper in Taiwan. This building was officially classified as the world's tallest from its opening in 2004 until the 2009 completion of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. .432 Park Avenue is a residential skyscraper in New York City. As of 2023, it is the 6th tallest building in the United States, the 5th tallest building in New York City, and the 3rd tallest residential building in the world. Shanghai Tower is the 128-story, 632-meter tall skyscraper in China. It is the tallest building in China and the world's 3rd tallest building by height. Marina 101 is a skyscraper in Dubai, standing 101 stories high and 425 meters tall. It is the 2nd tallest building in the United Arab Emirates, behind only the Burj Khalifa. Clock Towers. The Clock Towers is the government-owned complex of 7 skyscraper hotels in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. The Mecca Clock Royal Tower is the 4th tallest building in the world. One World Trade Center, standing an iconic 1776 feet tall, a nod to the year of American independence. One World Trade Center joined the New York skyline in 2014. The Museum of the Future is an exhibition space for innovative and futuristic ideologies, services, and products. Located in the financial district of Dubai, the Museum of the Future has 3 main elements: green hill, building, and void. The Evolution Tower is a skyscraper located in Moscow, Russia. The skyscraper is the 12th tallest building in Russia and the 20th tallest building in Europe. The Marina Bay Sands Hotel is one of the most recognizable buildings in Singapore. The 3-column building is connected at the roof by the largest rooftop infinity pool. The Petronas Towers are the pair of 88-story super tall skyscrapers in Malaysia, standing at 451.9 meters. From 1998 to 2003, they were officially designated as the tallest buildings in the world. The Zhenmao Tower is the 420.5 meter tall, 96-story landmark skyscraper in China. The Trans-America Pyramid is the 48-story modernist skyscraper in San Francisco, California, and the 2nd tallest building in the San Francisco skyline.